Samsung recently launched the Galaxy M51 in the Indian market. This phone comes with 7000 mAh battery, and in this video we will unbox and take a look at this smartphone. So let's get started. So guys, I have got two Galaxy M51 with me. Now Galaxy M51 is available in two color variant, the electric blue and the celestial black. So in this video I will be unboxing the celestial black version, as I prefer the black variant of this smartphone. Now this phone comes, both the phones which I have come with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, though you have a higher variant of this phone also available in the market, which comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So let's find out what else is in their box and my initial impression. This is the Galaxy M51 smartphone, the celestial black variant, which I am going to unbox. This phone is an Indian centric smartphone, so you need to use an Indian SIM to activate this phone. Post activation you may use any other SIM, but for the activation you will definitely require an Indian SIM. Coming back to the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G octa-core processor. In terms of display, it comes with 6.7-inch display, which is a Super Amoled display. In terms of software, it comes with Android 10 out of the box. And the rear side, you find 4 cameras are provided. It's a quad camera setup, with the primary camera being a 64 megapixel shooter. Along with that, you also get the ultra wide depth and the macro camera. In front you have the selfie camera, or the front camera as you call it, is a 32 megapixel shooter. In terms of memory, you have two variants available, which is the 6GB and the 8GB variant. Currently I have the 6GB variant with me, and you have a higher variant which comes with 8GB of RAM. In terms of storage, you have 128GB storage in the base as well as the upper variant. So you get 128GB on board, and you also have a dedicated micro SD slot support for expansion. So in terms of storage also there is no issues. Now coming to the battery, which Samsung has been marketing quite a lot, this phone comes with 7000 mAh battery along with fast charge support up to 25 watts, and the adapter is provided in the box. So this is about the battery. In the box you will be getting the smartphone along with the power adapter and cord and some manuals. You don't get any TPU case. The first thing which I liked about this smartphone is the display. The Super AMOLED display is really impressive. Samsung has done a great job with the display. Though it is only 60Hz refresh rate which you get on this phone, but the display quality is really amazing, and multimedia experience, your movie viewing or any other multimedia experience which you have, it will be great on this phone. Apart from that, the battery provided on this phone is of 7000 mAh, and it can easily last you for 2 days under moderate use. So in terms of battery also, you're not going to have any problem. The One UI used by Samsung on top of Android, that is also quite sleek and provides a lag-free experience. In terms of camera, the quad camera at the back is also very impressive. So is the front camera. Check the samples and decide for yourself. Voice is also there and recorded by the internal microphone provided on the phone. So you tell me how is the quality as far as the voice which is being recorded by the phone. And this is under the artificial lighting condition, and in this room I have just like switched on 2 lights, and as I have a provision of switching on 4 lights, but currently I am having 2 lights switched on, and still I believe the quality of the video is not bad. So you tell me how is the quality of the video. Hello friends, this is Amrutesh, and I will be sharing my quick opinion about the Galaxy M51 phone from Samsung. Well, to talk about the positives, the processor provided on this phone is very good. It will provide you with lag-free experience while using. Even gaming is pretty smooth on this phone. Apart from that, the camera provided on this phone is also very good. So in terms of camera also, I don't have much issues with this phone. Only the thing is, under the night mode, I did not like the picture quality because it had some amount of noise. So in terms of camera also, this phone is very good. The selfie as well as the quad camera provided at the back is pretty good. The display on this phone is pretty good. The Super Amoled display is awesome and you won't have any complaints with the display. Next thing is the battery. Now this is something which Samsung has been marketing a lot with this phone. It comes with the humongous 7000 mAh battery, and this battery is going to last you easily for 2 days under moderate use, and even if you are a very heavy user, it will last you easily for 1 day. So in terms of battery also, this phone is very good. The fingerprint scanner is provided on the power on off button, and that also works pretty well in my opinion. So this phone for around about price of 25,000 with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, I feel is a very good buy, and currently under the Amazon offer it is available for 22,500, and with bank discounts and all you can get it for 19,500. So below 20,000, I think this is a serious contender whom you can consider this phone for your purchase during this festive season. Another thing is, this phone comes from a non-Chinese brand, so if you have any concerns regarding these Chinese products, definitely this phone competes with them, and it comes from a non-Chinese brand. So you can consider Galaxy M51, which is currently selling for less than 20,000 with the offers. So definitely consider this phone. In terms of shortcomings, what I felt was the back panel is made up of plastic and it is prone to smudges and fingerprints, so that's why I'm using a cover on this phone. So that is one of the issues which you will find. Another thing is the sound quality. I did not find it to be very loud, so don't get me wrong, it is adequately loud but not very loud on this phone. Apart from that, I did not find any other major issues. Yeah, the refresh rate is 60 Hz, but again it's a Super AMOLED display, so I won't be complaining much about that. So in case you are considering this phone or you are considering any phone for 20,000, seriously give a look at this Galaxy M51, which is a very good option in my opinion for this price range. Apart from that, another thing which I liked and I missed out earlier was the UI. The One UI provided on this phone is also very good. So it comes with Android 10 and you are expected to get few updates also. So in terms of longevity or durability also, there is no issues. Another point which I missed out in terms of which you might consider as a con is it doesn't have the 5G support. Like some phones in this price range or slightly higher range do have a 5G capable phone, but in India we don't have the 5G support as of now, so it's not much of a con in my opinion. So these were my 2 cents about this phone. Do share your opinion and feedback about this video and the phone in the comment section, and I will see you soon with my new video. Please do subscribe and like and share this video if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Thank you.